come on, give me something. Oh yeah. Give me the spin. Not greedy. I'll take the mega. I'll take the mega. Oh shit. Oh shit. Not the super Firelink. Oh. Come on, stop. No. No, please, no. You bitch. Prime span, I love it. Yep. This is what we get. Next 5 span would be prime. Nice. I guess. Oh. Okay, that's not bad. If any ball pays, then that's not the worst. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Give me more balls. Yes, more balls. Yeah. Last spin. Give me 4 balls. Give me 4 balls. Oh yeah. Not $4. $34. Not bad. I guess. Minor would have been cool.